Welcome to your Manufacturing Minute. You'll find all the details and links in the body of the email. But here's a quick look at what's new and coming up from the Baker Baynes team. First up, if you're running a CNC milling machine or lathe and need post-processor work, our new post-processor service offering is for you, designed to help you get accurate, machine-ready G-code, so no more guesswork on the shop floor. We've also added 2 new transformation tools to support your design workflows. The Inventor Professional Sans Steel Section Library for Inventor Frame Generator, and our new Introduction to PLM ebook to help you better manage product lifecycle data. Don't miss out on our Ox the Expert session titled Shop Floor Solutions with Autodesk Fusion, taking place on the 24th of July 2025. Bring your real-world challenges from messy toolpaths, simulation mismatches, feeds and speeds challenges, and get live practical advice from specialists who understand your shop floor. That's your Manufacturing Minute. Head over to the email for full details and registration links. See you soon.